In this unit, we will study about problem solving. Introduction. In previous two units, you have learned about several correlates of self, namely attitude, personality, thinking, emotions, and motivation. In this unit, in this, in the present unit, you will learn about fur- further correlates of self, such as problem solving, decision making, creativity. All these aspects of yourself play an important role in influencing our way of influencing and interaction with others in our surrounding. They they reflect our ways of thinking when we encounter any type of problem. How do we think about it? Analyze the problem. Consider various alternatives to solve the problem. So choosing among the alternatives and take decision. And also creativity to gain new perspective and ways of ways to solve problems. Problem solving. Nature and stages of problem solving. So human beings are engaged in problem solving, be it in day to day life, or at school, or at workplace, or interpersonal relationships. Problems can range from simple to complex. Problem solving means there is a problem which need to be solved. It involves reaching a goal, thus includes goal-directed thinking. Various alternative ways are explored to achieve goals. To solve problems based on our existing knowledge, earlier experience, and thinking in terms of future. There are three components of problem solving. Original state refers to the present situation of the problem or difficulty. Goal state, which desired state which we want to achieve. Three rules are applied to which the goal to be achieved or desired outcome. Here, a person operator uses various skills and techniques to arrive at the goal or goal state. Inter- Internal or mental representation of all these three are called problem space. So that is the space in which we visualize original state and goal state and where alternative solutions are found and employed. Usually, problems can be considered of two types: well defined problems and ill defined problems. So, two types: well defined problems and ill defined problems. These are the problems that are easy to define and describe. Nature of the problem is clear and correct solutions are available. Puzzles, initial example puzzles. The initial state of the state and goal states are clearly definable. These are available. There are available rules and strategy to reach the goal. Ill-defined problems. Here, the nature of the problem is not clear and cannot decide in a specific ways. Examining, defining justice or peace, or creating abstract painting. All aspects of the problem space, such as initial state or goal state, the operator, and the rules used are not clear and defined. The stages in problem solving usually begins with defining and understanding the problems. So then it involves thinking about alternative ways to solve the problem, implementing the best alternative. Finally, evaluating in terms of the desired outcome. Problem solving stages generally follows the stages in creativity which is described in detail section of creativity. So what did it say? Problem solving stages generally follows the stages in creativity which is described in detail of in the section of creativity. So when you have defined the problem is half solved. For example, you know the syllabus, you know the subjects, you know what are needs to be studied. Then the exam will be your goal. I mean, the marks that you need to achieve in the exam, that is the goal. So when you define the subjects and units that you need to study, half of your problems is solved in that time.